Why this book exists, the purpose behind the Wim Hof method. Wim Hof's core mission is to help everyday people unlock their full human potential. Not just top athletes or spiritual masters. Hof and co-author Elissa Appel, Ph.D., argue that modern life disconnects us from our most primal human capacities: breathing, cold adaptation, and inner resilience. They propose that through deliberate practice of three pillars: breath, cold, and mindset, anyone can reclaim control over physiology, mental clarity, and emotional strength, while overcoming chronic inflammation, stress, and self-imposed limits. Key takeaways. 1. The Wim Hof method, unlocking human potential through breath, cold, and mindset. We have lost our innate ability not only to survive, but to thrive in extreme environments. The Wim Hof method, WHM, is a powerful approach to unlocking human potential based on three simple, natural pillars: cold exposure, conscious breathing, and the power of the mind. Developed over 40 years by Wim Hof. Nicknamed the Iceman, this method has enabled practitioners to achieve seemingly impossible feats and improve their overall health and well-being. The WHM is rooted in the belief that modern comfort has weakened our bodies and minds, disconnecting us from our innate abilities. By reawakening dormant physiological processes through controlled exposure to environmental stressors, practitioners can boost energy levels, reduce stress and anxiety, strengthen the immune system, improve sleep quality, enhance cognitive and athletic performance. The method is accessible to all, requiring no special equipment or prior experience. With consistent practice, individuals can tap into their body's hidden potential and regain control over their physical and mental health. 2. The power of cold exposure, strengthening the vascular system. A cold shower a day keeps the doctor away. Cold exposure is a cornerstone of the Wim Hof method, serving as a powerful tool to strengthen the vascular system and improve overall health. Regular exposure to cold stimulates the body's natural ability to adapt and thrive in challenging environments. Key benefits of cold exposure include improved cardiovascular health, enhanced immune function, increased metabolic rate, reduced inflammation, better sleep quality. The WHM recommends a gradual approach to cold exposure, starting with brief cold showers and progressively increasing duration and intensity. This practice helps to activate and tone millions of tiny muscles in the vascular system, decrease resting heart rate, reducing overall stress on the body, improve blood flow and nutrient delivery to cells, boost mood and energy levels through the release of endorphins. By incorporating cold exposure into daily routines, practitioners can reawaken their body's natural ability to withstand and benefit from environmental stressors, leading to improved overall health and resilience. 3. Conscious breathing, the gateway to mind-body control. Breathe, motherfuckers. Conscious breathing techniques form the second pillar of the Wim Hof method, offering a powerful tool for gaining control over the autonomic nervous system and influencing various bodily functions. The WHM breathing protocol typically consists of 3 to 4 rounds of controlled hyperventilation, followed by breath retention. Benefits of the WHM breathing technique include increased oxygen saturation in the blood, alkalinization of the body, reducing inflammation, enhanced focus and mental clarity, improved stress management, boosted energy levels. The breathing exercises work by temporarily changing the ratio of oxygen to carbon dioxide in the blood, activating the body's stress response in a controlled manner, stimulating the release of adrenaline and other stress hormones, promoting a state of deep relaxation and mental clarity. Regular practice of these breathing techniques can lead to improved control over various bodily functions, including the immune system, and may help alleviate symptoms of various health conditions. 4. Mindset, the third pillar of the Wim Hof method. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. The power of mindset is the third crucial element of the Wim Hof method, emphasizing the importance of mental focus and commitment in achieving extraordinary results. This aspect of the method involves cultivating a strong belief in one's own capabilities and developing the mental fortitude to push beyond perceived limitations. Key aspects of the WHM mindset include cultivating a deep sense of self-belief and confidence, developing mental resilience in the face of challenges, embracing discomfort as a path to growth and self-discovery, maintaining a positive and determined attitude. By combining the right mindset with cold exposure and breathing techniques, practitioners can enhance their ability to control physiological responses to stress, improve overall mental and emotional well-being, achieve goals that may have previously seemed impossible, develop a stronger connection between mind and body. The WHM emphasizes that the power of the mind is a crucial factor in unlocking human potential and overcoming physical and mental barriers. 5. Transforming health. The WHM's impact on chronic conditions. We are able to tap into the autonomic nervous system and suppress inflammation. The Wim Hof method has shown promise in addressing various chronic health conditions by modulating the immune response and reducing inflammation. Practitioners have reported significant improvements in conditions such as autoimmune diseases, for example, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, chronic pain, depression and anxiety, cardiovascular issues. The method's effectiveness is attributed to its ability to activate the body's innate healing mechanisms, reduce systemic inflammation, improve circulation and oxygenation of tissues, enhance the body's stress response. While not a replacement for medical treatment, the WHM can serve as a powerful complementary approach to managing chronic conditions. Many practitioners have reported reduced reliance on medications and improved quality of life through consistent application of the method's techniques. 6. Enhancing athletic performance through the Wim Hof method. Breathe more than you feel you need to, and think of it like a mantra. The Wim Hof method offers significant benefits for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, enhancing various aspects of physical performance. By incorporating WHM techniques into their training regimens, athletes can experience increased endurance and stamina, improved recovery times, enhanced mental focus and resilience, better adaptation to environmental stressors. Key ways the WHM enhances athletic performance. Increased oxygen utilization. The breathing techniques improve the body's ability to use oxygen efficiently, leading to better endurance. Hormetic stress adaptation. Controlled exposure to cold and breath retention creates a hormetic response, strengthening the body's overall resilience. Mental fortitude. The mindset component of WHM helps athletes push beyond perceived limits and maintain focus under pressure. Reduced inflammation. The anti-inflammatory effects of the method can aid in faster recovery and reduced risk of injury. Athletes from various disciplines, including professional fighters, runners and team sports players, have reported significant improvements in their performance after incorporating WHM practices into their routines. 7. Accessing the subconscious beyond the 5 senses. We have senses that are going outward, and we have senses that are going inward. The Wim Hof method offers a pathway to accessing and developing our often overlooked internal senses, such as proprioception, awareness of body position, and interoception, awareness of internal bodily sensations. By cultivating these senses, practitioners can gain deeper insight into their physical and mental states. Key aspects of developing internal senses through WHM. Enhance body awareness through cold exposure and breathing exercises. Improved ability to detect and respond to subtle internal cues. Greater control over autonomic functions, such as heart rate and body temperature. Increased connection between conscious and subconscious aspects of the mind. Benefits of developing these internal senses include better stress management and emotional regulation, improved decision-making based on intuitive bodily signals, enhanced ability to recognize and address potential health issues early, greater overall mind-body connection and self-awareness. By regularly practicing the WHM, individuals can unlock a deeper understanding of their internal landscape and tap into previously inaccessible aspects of their consciousness. 8. Freeing our ancestral burden, epigenetics, and the WHM. We can free the spirits of the past. We can liberate ourselves and, in doing so, free the spirits of our ancestors from their own genetic burden. The Wim Hof method may have profound implications for epigenetics. the study of how behaviors and environment can affect the way genes work. By practicing WHM techniques, individuals may be able to influence gene expression positively, potentially reversing negative genetic predispositions inherited from ancestors. Key concepts in WHM and epigenetics: conscious influence over gene expression through controlled stress exposure, activation of protective proteins that safeguard cellular health, potential to reset genetic expressions to a more optimal state, potential benefits of epigenetic influence through WHM, reduced risk of hereditary diseases, improved overall health and longevity, enhanced ability to adapt to environmental stressors, positive impact on future generations through improved genetic expression. While more research is needed, the potential for WHM to influence epigenetics offers exciting possibilities for addressing generational health issues and improving overall human well-being. 9. The science behind the method, challenging medical dogma. We change the books. The Wim Hof method has challenged long-held beliefs in the medical community about human physiology and the limits of conscious control over bodily functions. Through rigorous scientific studies, Wim Hof and researchers have demonstrated that humans can consciously influence the autonomic nervous system. The immune system can be voluntarily modulated. Core body temperature can be maintained in extreme cold conditions. Key scientific findings supporting the WHM: suppression of inflammatory responses to endotoxin injection, activation of brown adipose tissue in adults, conscious control over skin temperature during cold exposure. These findings have significant implications for treatment of autoimmune diseases, management of chronic inflammation, enhancement of human performance in extreme conditions, development of new approaches to mental and physical health. While some in the scientific community remain skeptical, the growing body of evidence supporting the WHM continues to challenge established medical paradigms and open new avenues for research and treatment. 10. Spirituality and the Wim Hof method, connecting with inner nature. The breath is a door. Without the breath, what is there? The Wim Hof method offers a unique approach to spirituality and self-discovery, emphasizing direct experience over dogma or belief systems. By engaging with the method's practices, individuals can cultivate a deeper connection to their inner nature and the world around them. Spiritual aspects of the WHM include heightened awareness of the present moment, increased sense of connection to nature and the environment, enhanced ability to access altered states of consciousness, cultivation of inner peace and emotional balance. The method's spiritual benefits arise from deep conscious breathing that calms the mind and enhances focus, cold exposure that brings one into direct contact with primal sensations, mindset practices that foster self-awareness and personal growth. While not affiliated with any specific religion or spiritual tradition, the WHM can complement existing spiritual practices or serve as a standalone path to self-discovery and inner growth. Many practitioners report a profound sense of connection to something greater than themselves through consistent application of the method's techniques. Final thoughts and clinician's angle. The book offers a practical, simple framework suitable for beginners: breathwork, cold exposure, and mindset exercises that don't require special gear or prior experience. Benefits shared in anecdotes and early studies include improved immune response, reduced inflammation, better recovery, elevated mood, and emotional resilience. However, scientific validation is still emerging. Evidence is promising but currently limited. User experience varies widely and risks exist if done improperly. Elissa Appel's involvement brings a level of scientific grounding and cautious framing to Wim Hof's personal story-centered narrative.